Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you this, are you tired of paying for expensive web hosting every single month just to keep your site online? What if you could get lifetime web hosting, yes, lifetime, for less than 50 bucks? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're checking out PawnHoster's lifetime deal on StackSocial. Web hosting can get pricey fast, especially if you're running a blog, small business website, or personal project. Most hosting companies lock you into monthly or yearly subscriptions that never end. But PawnHoster is offering something different: fast, secure, and reliable hosting with a one-time payment, no recurring fees ever. With the Pawn hosting plan, you're getting all the essentials to launch and grow a simple website. Blazing fast NVMe SSD hosting for quicker page loads and better SEO. Free SSL certificate to keep your site secure and trusted. Free domain for 1 year so you can start right away. Free website migration if you're moving from another host. One-click installs for WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and over 400 apps. Firewall and DDoS protection to safeguard your site. Professional email accounts with spam protection. Multiple data centers in North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Built-in CDN integration to speed up global content delivery. 24/7 technical support whenever you need help. And a 99.9% uptime guarantee, so your site stays online. The real benefit here is peace of mind. You don't have to stress about rising hosting costs or hidden fees. Pay once and your hosting is covered for life. The Pawn plan is perfect for beginners, bloggers, freelancers, or small business owners who just need reliable hosting without all the extras. If you're just starting your online presence, this is an affordable way to lock in hosting for life. Normally, hosting like this could cost you hundreds of dollars per year, but right now on StackSocial, the Pawn plan is just $49 for lifetime access. That's it. Pay once, host forever. I'll drop the link down below so you can check it out for yourself. Don't wait too long though. Lifetime deals like this don't stick around forever. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews of the best software and lifetime deals online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.